guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to the video today. So listen, you guys, it is such a hot week at Walgreens, but I've been so busy, so I have yet to really make it in store. I did a few shopping, but I did a few videos. I have yet to post them, so I got this spend 10 and then get $10 back in Walgreens cash. So I'm gonna go ahead and work it into a deal along with a spend 25 digital deal as well. So let me show you guys the items that I'm gonna grab. If you guys are new, welcome. Just take a moment to subscribe if you have not, and if you have, thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. Let's get right into the deal. All right guys, so the first item I'm gonna grab is gonna be on the Gillette Venice. They are on sale for various prices, so $11, some are $14, some are $18. And we also have some on the men's razors, so like the Gillette Mark III and the Fusion. But I'm gonna go ahead and pick up two of the women's at $11.99, and then they're on a deal. When you buy two, you're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash. I think I have already used my digital for this account, so I'm gonna go ahead and use these that I found at CVS. So I'm gonna go ahead and use two of these, taking off $6. So all right guys, so grabbing these two is gonna take me to $22. We have $6 in coupons, so $3 for each item. That's gonna leave me to pay $16, and then I'm gonna get back $10 for buying two, and then that'll leave me to pay $6 or $3 a piece. But I'm working this into a spend deal. And also don't forget, we still have the P&G promotion that's happening. You can actually submit back for this item as well. Now, since this is a buy deal and not a spend deal, you can actually buy two of these for $22. If you had no coupons, use 20 in Walgreens cash, and then you'll get back $10. All right guys, so here's another deal that you can do, but I'll do it. It is $7.99 for the Head and Shoulders. I didn't realize they have the classic clean, but then when you buy two, you're getting back $4 in register rewards, and then they're buy one get one half off. Now there's quite a few coupons for this product, so I'm gonna scan them to show you guys what coupons are popping up. So I keep getting distracted at the store, right? So all right, so I was saying for the Head and Shoulders, when you buy two, you're getting back $4 in register rewards, and then you're gonna submit back to Ibotta for $1.25 when you buy two. I have some coupons, but I think the $3 off of two might come off. I went ahead and I grabbed three of the Old Spice. They are $6.49. Buy one get one half off, and then when you buy two, you're getting back $4. I think I'm actually gonna split these deals. I think they're on the same promotion. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm gonna do them separate just to be sure. But then we do have a $5 and a $3 coupon, and then we do have $2 coming back on Ibotta for each one of these as well, so that'll give me another $6. All right guys, so to finish at this deal, I'm actually gonna switch it around. I'll show you guys what I ended up grabbing on my receipt. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up one of the Huggies. I'm actually gonna pick up a smaller one here. They are 2 for $21. When you buy three, you're getting back $5 in register rewards. So I do have a $2 for this one here, and I also have a $2 for the Pimpers. And for the Pimpers as well, we do have some Ibotta rebate. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab two of them, two of the Pimpers. And when you buy three of them, you're getting back $5. I'm trying to get one that I can actually use for my baby. All right guys, so the first transaction I'm gonna do is gonna be on the, I lost my thoughts, but on the Venus, on the Head and Shoulders, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the Pimpers. So that's gonna take me to $64.48. I'm gonna use 20 in Walgreens cash, so I can use this booster here for when I spend 40. I'll get an extra $10, so I should at least get at least $30 just in Walgreens boosters. So I'll get back another $10 here, so that'll give me $40 in Walgreens cash. And then I'll get one printout here, and then a $5 printout there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use some of these register rewards that I've earned from previously. So the 15, the 3, I'm gonna do the math. Now I'll get back $1.25 on Ibotta, and then $4 from Ibotta from the pull-ups. I'm also working on a fetch rebate, which I only need one more item here to get me another $2.50 from fetch. And then I'm gonna do another transaction because I also have some boosters on this account for when I spend a certain amount on trips, then I'll get back $15, I think. So I'm gonna do this here. Then I'm gonna do the toothbrush, and I might throw in some laundry product and the Scott. All right, guys, so the booster I have is make 6 purchases and spend 15. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up one of the gain. They are on sale this week. When you buy 4, you're getting back $5 and register rewards. So we have $1 for each one of these on the liquids, on the Gang Flings, as well as the dryer sheets and the softener. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 4 of these. That'll total me $21.96. But on the next transaction, I'm gonna do the gain along with the Old Spice and the toothbrushes. So that'll take me to $44. I'm gonna use 20 in Walgreens cash, and then that'll leave me to pay $22 and some. All right, so all of that would leave me to pay $8.68. Oh, actually I forgot to add in the Scott, so that's another $2.75. So I'll pay about $10-11 plus taxes, and then I'll get back, I don't have any other boosters that I'm working with, but I'll get a $5 printout here, a $3 for the toothbrush, and a $4 for the Old Spice, and I'll get back $6 on Ibotta for the Old Spice as well. Let's go check out. I'll show you guys my receipt. This is rushing because I have to go pick up my son. Here's my receipt. Here is the first transaction that I did: the Head and Shoulders, the Huggies, what is this? Yeah, the Huggies, the pull-ups, and the Venice items. So here are the $3 coupons. Came off fine. I used a total of $28 in register rewards here. The 3 off of 2 came off the Head and Shoulders that you see there, and $2 each, one of the Huggies and one of the pull-ups. My subtotal came out to $24.48. Used 20 in Walgreens cash, paid the rest out of pocket. Now I had an issue when the cashier scanned my 10 of 40 paper booster, so he had to enter it manually for me. Thank God he was the manager, so he just went ahead and made that adjustment right there for me. And I did go through contactless pay. Normally when they're adjusting points onto your account, you cannot use contactless pay to pay. I mean, not contactless pay, points to pay, because it has that same problem, but I did, and it worked fine. So we got back a total of $40 in Walgreens cash as expected. Now I had a little hiccup, so he went ahead and hit total before he entered all of my register rewards. And because I did have this $10 coupon, he didn't want to enter all of that manually along with the $3 Venus, so he just went ahead and voided it. But all of my stuff had already started to print out, so I pretty much got double the register rewards for the Head and Shoulder and the Huggies. Normally they'll just toss them out, but he's a new manager and he says, you know what you're doing, so he just went ahead and handed them to me. At first he just let them sit there. I was like, oh, I need the prints, please. So let me show you guys on paper what I paid. $24.48, $28 in Walgreens cash, in register reward. So my cost was $52.48. $40 back in Walgreens cash. So we got $10 for the paper booster. We got $10 for the spend 25 get 10 digital booster. Another $10 for spend 10 to get back $10. And then the $10 for the Venus. $4 for the Head and Shoulders. $5 for the Huggies. I did get back to $2.90 on Fetch. And I got a total back of $10.25 from Ibotta. So $1.25 for the Head and Shoulders, $4 for the pull-ups for buying 2, and $5 for the Seed and Sprouts bonus. So that gave me an extra $5 there. So I got back a total of $62.48. So that made this transaction free and a $9.67 moneymaker. Now, if I didn't have that extra $5, the Seed bonus, I would have just cut right about even. So let me show you guys the prints that I got back. So here's the 20%. I've been getting a lot of those, but not a lot of spend 40 or spend 50 or a lot of that. So here are the register rewards. So $4 here's for the Head and Shoulders, and here's the other one. So he just went ahead and handed them to me. Yes, baby. $5 for the Huggies, and then here it goes. I got another $5, and I didn't factor these into my total because if you're doing my same deal, unless, you know, this happened to you, you wouldn't get it. But this would make this an extra $9 money maker. For that. All right, and that's all. And the other ones are going to be for the next transaction. All right, so that made that one free and a $9.87 money maker. If I'm counting the extra prints that I got, that would have made it an $18 money maker. All right, so here is the second transaction. So here's the Old Spice. Sorry, my receipt just got a little dirty there, but Old Spice Gain products, I bought 4 of them. Something weird happened. Look at this Gain. It rung up for $5.39, which was weird, but I still got the $5 register rewards. All of the other ones rang up okay, but all right. The Oral-B, the Scott, the other Old Spice product, and that last Gain used one $3 digital, one $3 register reward. I wanted to add more of these, but because the register kept slowing down, it just kept dying. So I was like, let me just move on. So the $5 for the 2 Old Spice, the $3 of one, the $3 of the Oral-B, and all of the $1. So what I am missing is a $1.50 of one of the Gain products, which is fine. I'm not really complaining about that. So total came out to $29.83, and plus the $3 register reward. We didn't get any cash back because I didn't use any boosters or anything like that. But here's what I got back. I thought the Old Spice was giving us $4, but it is giving back $5. So I got here 20% and 20%. I'm literally drowning in 20% off. So I need good deals to go on sale. I mean, not to go on sale, but that's giving us great rewards to use. $3 for the Oral-B, $5 here for the Gain. I'm not sure which one is for which, so I don't know. And then the other $5 would have been for the Old Spice, and then another 20%. I got about like 4 of these things today. So with everything here, so there it is. And then I did get back $6 when I bought it for the Old Spice, giving me a total of $19 minus the $32 that I spent. So that cost me $13.83. But if I factor in the money maker that I had here, that would have cost me $4.16. And because most of these items, except for the Scott, I believe the Huggies, everything else is included in the P&G promotion. So we still have that happening. I can actually submit back for another $15 P&G rebate. Unfortunately, I am running out of addresses, you guys. I think I have submitted for my house, my mom's house, another person's house. I have submitted already for 4 different households, 2 gift cards each. So I am running out of addresses, and I'm not sure. You guys maybe can help me out. I'm trying to figure out if I should be creating an account each time on the P&G website, or if I should use the one that I have existing already. So let me know what you guys think. But I do have one more address that I can use. I have a friend who lives in New York. So she has taken a break from couponing, so I'm going to use her address. No, I had another friend. So 5 households I have submitted for this P&G rebate. So hey, you guys, let me know. Am I crazy? Am I doing too much? I think I am, but I enjoy couponing, and I get to do a lot. Oh, you guys, Monday I did a couponing class, which I told you guys about, but it was for seniors, and it was so sweet. I'll tell you guys more in the next video, because I was rushing again today. So anyways, y'all, I'm home late doing this. I'll put this video up tomorrow in the morning. I just got done cooking. I got 2 babies down and 1 more to go. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and leave me a comment below, and share the video and subscribe. Okay guys, bye. See you guys next time.